Good morning, students. Today we will do here how the pressure exerted by the liquid. All the liquids have the weights. So when you put a liquid into a vessel, the weight of a liquid contained in the vessel exerts pressure on its wall as well as at the bottom. For this, how it exerts pressure at the bottom and on its wall, will perform one activity. Here we'll take a transparent glass tube, as you can see here in the figure. Then you have to take which are open at both the ends. At the lower end, you tie a rubber balloon with the help of a thread, and now hold a tube in a vertical position and pour some water into it. You'll observe that the rubber balloon bulges out. Now pour some more water. You will find that size of the bulges increases. Why do it increases? You can see here in the picture A, less height of the water column, so less bulging of the rubber balloon. More height of the water column, more bulging of the rubber balloon. This shows that the liquid exerts pressure on the base of the container in which they are put. Also, pressure exerted by the water at the bottom of the container, it depends on the height of the column. More is the height, more is the pressure, and vice versa. Here we can say one more activity, that liquid exerts pressure not only at the base but also on the walls of the container. Here again you have to take one glass tube which is open at the upper end, and the lower end it is not open, but it is opened here at the side, little bit side, like a tap like opening. You will find, and there at the opening you have to tie one rubber balloon with the help of thread. Now you have to hold the tube in the middle and keep it in a vertical position and pour the water in the glass tube. You observe that the rubber balloon bulges outward. Why do it bulge outward? Because due to the pressure. The liquid is exerting pressure on the wall of the container to the side walls. That means the sideways pressure exerted by the liquid on the walls of the container. This we call it as a lateral pressure. The rubber balloon bulges more on adding more water. What is the reason behind this? Again here the depth of the water column. When the depth of the water column increases on adding more water, the pressure will increase and the lateral pressure increases with depth. So we find that more will be the water here, more will be the height of the liquid column here, the more will be the bulging of the balloon on its side. Again we can see here another activity is there, that liquid exerts equal pressure at the same depth. जितना एक ही डेप्थ पे होगे, कितने भी होल्स होगे, तो पूरा प्रेशर एक जैसा पड़ता है. हाउ वी कैन शो इट? यू टेक वन बॉटल, take any bottle here. Now you can use it for, you are using for the cold drinks here. Then make 2 or 3 holes just above the base of the bottle. You can see it here in the figure. Make 2 or 3 holes. You will and fill this water bottle with the water. You will find that the liquid exerts equal pressure. सारे होल्स में से एक जैसा पानी निकलेगा, इतनी ही दूर पे पानी निकलेगा बॉटल से. Why? Because it is exerting the equal pressure in all the direction in the bottle here. So this shows that the liquid exerts equal pressure at the depth. Now you can take one more activity here, that the liquid exerts pressure. It increases with depth. जितना ज़्यादा डेप्थ होगा, जितना ज़्यादा नीचे होगा, उतना ही ज़्यादा प्रेशर पड़ता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन टेक हियर वन बॉटल हियर, प्लास्टिक बॉटल, मेक द होल्स हियर and at the equal diameter at different height. You can see here A, B and C. These are the different holes. Now you have to apply the adhesive tape over the holes, so that when you fill the bottle with the water should not flow out. Then once you filled this bottle with the water. Now you remove this adhesive tape. You observe that on removing this tape, the water from the uppermost hole, that is A, it found to travel the shortest distance from the base. बहुत पास में गिरेगा ये पानी. Then the second hole, that is the hole B, it goes from that, the water flows little bit farther away. Then when you see the hole C, you find that it travels the maximum distance. You can try this activity at home also. So we find that the depth of the water near the hole A is least. ए के पास कितना डेप्थ था, थोड़ा सा ही डेप्थ था, थोड़ा सा ही वाटर का लेवल था, तो जिस कारण से प्रेशर कम पड़ रहा था, एंड इट फॉल्स नियर टू द बॉटल ओनली. When you see the hole B, the depth of the water near the hole B is greater than A, and so the water comes out with the greater pressure from the hole B, and it falls little bit farther away from the base of the plastic bottle. When you see the hole C, the depth of the water, it is greatest, and so the water comes out with the greatest pressure and goes farthest from the container. So this activity shows that the pressure of the liquid increases with depth. Liquid pressure depends on various factors which can also be studied by using an instrument that we call it as a manometer. So a manometer is a simple device used to measure the liquid pressure.